the revision. So we generally what how we revise certain thing is, let's say we have to study five subjects in chapter one, chapter two, chapter three,
तुम्हारी
and
आवाज
chapter
नहीं
four
आ
and
रही.
five.
Hello. I mean, can you listen?
Again, my voice is breaking. Is it clear now?
No, you are clear.
Aryan,
Yes.
hello.
Better.
So I'm saying something about the revision. So the general tendency is, if we are supposed to cover five subjects, so we will first cover subject one, subject two, subject three, subject four, subject five, and then we will revise subject one again, and then subject two, three, four, five, and then we will repeat the cycle. What happens is, by the time you will finish the subject five and will come to the subject one, 80% of the portion of the subject one you will forget. So let's say first time you have spent, let's say 1 week to prepare subject one, and after 1 month you have come back to revise that. Again, you will have to, give 5 days to revise it, because you will, forget 80% of things. And that is true for chapter 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the cycle will repeat, keep going on. So what is the correct approach of revision is, you finish the chapter 1 and then you quickly revise the chapter 1 only. So what happens is, you remember almost everything. So first time, if you have taken 7 days to prepare something, now if you are revising just after that, you will take 1 day to revise revision first, and you might take only half day to revise for revision 2. So this is the correct approach of revision. It's not like you finish the entire syllabus and then you come back to revision. You finish the subject and then revise immediately. So this was related to, revision. And just last two thing I would like to point out. Let's say, for example, you have covered the syllabus, you did the revision part, etc. also, but at least 15 days, you should keep reserve. In those 15 days before the examination, you should not study anything that is new. Let's say you have realized, to have just 10 days before the examination that, okay, this is very important portion and you have not covered it. So I would recommend it, just leave that particular subject, particular topic, because if you will go through the pattern, even the toppers score are around 75. So if you are scoring 75%, then you are a topper. So you need not to cover, score 100 out of 100 to be even have a gate rank 1, right? So before 10-15 days, leave everything that is new. No need to cover anything new, just revise. And also, last thing that I would say, if you are opting for any mock test, finish your mock test before 10 days. You should not. What happens is, general tendency is, we keep preparing, and in last 4-5 days we start giving mock tests. What happens is, and this happened with a lot of my students, that these mock tests are prepared by different institution, and sometimes they give question a little out of box, and sometimes this is not your day, so you have performed very badly in the examination, in the mock test examination, right? So imagine you have prepared 5-6 months, and just 2 days before you have realized that, okay, you have scored only 25 number out of 100. So this is going to harm you seriously, because you will lose all the confidence. You will realize, okay, you don't know anything. So I would suggest, attempt all your mock tests even 10 days before the examination, so that if something like this happens, you can work on it, or you can realize, okay, this is not a big thing. They might have asked something out of box, so you will have the time to recover from it. Otherwise you will lose your confidence. So you want to add something about the material for the study? A lot of questions you will get. What should be the correct material?
No, exactly. Material. I mean, for GATE, I mean, you are the best person that can recommend something. And I think जिसने भी सुना होगा, he might have learned many things today in great detail. Great detail. I mean, material part के बारे में तुम ही add करो. You may add something.
Okay, so there is no textbook as to. in the market, and even something is there that is not up to the mark. So I would suggest you can buy any previous question paper booklet, and you solve that with detailed explanation. So that will be the foundation of the study. And as I said that you should prepare your own syllabus based on the previous year question paper. Now we all have internet, and I also said that how much you need to study. So go by, you have the list of the topics, so go by one from all the topics, and you can take help from your seniors. And if you want to join any any program, mentorship program, you can join that too. And also me and Fahad, basically Arcus is on different platform. We are on YouTube, we are on Facebook, we are on in WhatsApp and Telegram groups. So you can also connect with us. We will be guiding you throughout this journey, right?